Hello guys, in today's video I'll speak about top 10 person who can buy 1000 Lamborghinis in one day. 10th is Mukesh Ambani. Net worth of Mukesh Ambani is $77.3 billion. The foundation chairman of Reliance Industries, Mukesh Ambani, has a net worth of $77.3 billion. He runs the biggest oil and gas companies in India, in addition to a very popular and influential telecom network in India. 9th is Sergey Brin. Net worth is $93.2 billion. The co-founder and board member of Alphabet, Sergey Brin, has a net worth of $93.2 billion, which ranks him in the 10th position among the world's richest person. 8th is Larry Page. Larry Page, the co-founder of Google, has a net worth of $96.1 billion and ranks in the 9th position among the world's richest persons. He has also invested in Planetary Resources, the famed space exploration company, and is also funding flying car startup companies Kitty Hawk and Opener. 7th is Larry Ellison. Larry Ellison has a net worth of $98.5 billion, which he earned from Oracle, the software firm he co-founded in 1977. 6th is Warren Buffett. Popularly known as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett is seen as one of the most successful investors of all time. He runs Berkshire Hathaway that owns over 60 companies, including the famous ones Geico Insurance, Duracell, etc. Net worth of Warren Buffett is $99.8 billion. 5th is Mark Zuckerberg. Net worth is $111.6 billion. The co-founder, CEO, and chairman of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, champions the social network that has become a go-to communications avenue today. His net worth is $111.6 billion, and today he owns about 15% of stakes in Facebook after the firm went public in May 2012. 4th is Bill Gates. Net worth of Bill Gates is $129.2 billion. The co-founder of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Bill Gates has a net worth of $129.2 billion, having founded the software giant Microsoft along with Paul Allen. Bill Gates eventually sold away much of his stakes in the company, retaining just 1% of the shares and investing the rest in stocks and other assets. 3rd is Bernard Arnault and family. Net worth of his is $163.7 billion. LVMH, France chairman and CEO Bernard Arnault, ranked 3rd in the world in terms of riches. His net worth is $163.7 billion, ensuring his business across an empire of more than 70 brands, including Louis Vuitton and Sephora. 2nd is Elon Musk. Net worth of Elon Musk is $169.9 billion. Elon Musk is working to revolutionize transportation both on Earth through electric car maker Tesla and in space via rocket producer SpaceX. Elon Musk's rocket company is now valued at nearly $100 billion. Currently, his net worth is $169.9 billion. First is Jeff Bezos. Amazon founder and CEO Jeff Bezos has a net worth of $188.5 billion and ranks as the first richest person on the earth today. His position remains the same even after divorcing his wife Mackenzie in 2019 and transferring a quarter of his stake in Amazon to her. Bezos founded the behemoth Amazon in 1994 out of his garage in Seattle. So guys, these were the top 10 richest person in the world who can buy actually 1000 Lamborghinis in one day. And thank you for watching my video.